let's give this a try. I'm really incredulous about this, whether or not this will actually make some delicious hot toddies, but I'm gonna be using a certain liquid that starts with a V. I'm not actually gonna mention what it is because otherwise the skinny jean hipsters who are moderating this video are gonna take this down. But as you can see, it's probably just water in here. So we're gonna put our little dry craft cocktail hot toddy mix right here. And first I've got a cup, which is equal to 8 ounces. And we're going to very tenderly put that into here. And then we're gonna get another half cup right here, which would equal 4 ounces. So for those who are good at math, 8 ounces plus 4 ounces gives us the recommended dosage, which is 12 ounces. Takes it up to about right there. Now you can use a myriad of different liquids in this, if you will, and you can see it's soaking it up already, but we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and wait for 3 days, and then we're gonna check back and do a real live taste test. This is the moment we have been waiting for. Are you ready for this? And ooh, oh, that's licoricey. Oh, I took otherwise decent liquid and I've tried to breathe new life into it. It tastes as if you're in the Burlington Coat Factory and you got a licorice stick and you burned the licorice stick and then you rubbed it all over a leather purse and then you licked that purse. But to the makers who are watching this video, if you do take critical feedback, can you cut the anise seed in like half, maybe a quarter of it? Because, oh, that is just overwhelmingly licoricey. Oh, it's almost a shame. You can't even really taste any of the other seasoning and all the other. There's a rind in there. Is that an orange rind or a lemon rind? Can't even taste that because it's all just like straight up licorice. Ah, come on, guys. That's a waste of really good liquid that I otherwise could have used as a well drink. Oh boy. Okay, well, I put my life on the line so you guys don't have to, but there you go. If you like licorice, get this. If you don't like licorice, save your money and just cut it with cranberry juice and you'll like it a lot better, I guarantee you.